The new MiG-160 just arrived. MiG-60. Box looks like it's in good shape. Made in China, no surprise. A little bit of a dent there. No markings as to the manufacturer's name or a brand name per se. Time to unbox the MiG-160. Like for the TIG welder, this will really not go a lot into the unboxing except pulling everything out for now. Hose, clamps, user's manual, the 115, 110 to 220, 230 adapter. MiG torch. This is a MB158K. The TIG torch. That's part of the reason why we got this one, because it comes with a lift TIG. And there's a little bit of consumables, some cups and stuff inside of it. A little box. Welding wire. Spool of welding wire. Plastic slag bush. A welding goggles. Totally broken. Since we would never recommend using these goggles and never use these goggles, no loss, but not very good to have something broken like that inside. And the MIG welder itself. This is a MiG-160. Comes with a stick, lift TIG, MIG switch, wire spool fast feed, current control, wire speed control, voltage control, and burn back control for the MIG. The standard setup where you can switch, and standard N for torches, which is great. That's part of the reason we got this one, is because there's available torches you can use other than the one that comes with it. A little bit of a warning. Inside is the grounding clamp, and the stick welder clamp. Wire feed drive, spool. Don't see anything damaged in here. where the unit has information, fan, AC input, 110, 220, and gas input. Take a closer look at our TIG torch package. Some cups, some collets, the long back for it, no short back or medium backs. It's a torch. Standard end for it, gas end, and the size on the torch. There's the number on it. It's a WP 17V, which means it's a 17 torch with a valve. This is rated for the 160. It's nice and flexible. This is a lift start torch, and it has the gas valve here. Mig torch, a lot heavier duty, standard end, Euro style. Feels fairly sturdy and comfortable. No extra nozzles.